Morning students, today I will tell you how to acquire analog signal using ESP8266. On ESP8266 there is only one pin, one analog pin, that is A0 available on ESP8266. We just use this to acquire analog signal. For that purpose we just create new template inside the developer zone, like I just put over here analog read, name is analog read. I'm using ESP8266, so I'm just connecting through the Wi-Fi. Done. Now the data stream part, create new data stream, virtual pin should be there. So over here I just put a analog read AR over here, and V0 is my virtual pin. So over here in the minimum maximum I just put 255, 0 to 255. If I got 0 voltage, I just acquire 0. If maximum voltage, I just read 255. So just create this, and the default value is 0 in this case. So I just go to the dashboard. In the dashboard I just use a gauge, just drag over here. This is my gauge. You just increase the size of the gauge. So configure this gauge, just put over here. You can also change override data stream over here, or you can change the color, like there are many options. So I just use this, save it, save this. Now the web dashboard part completed. So you just go to the device over here, create new device, templates, analog read, create. So I require authentication ID, name, and token ID. I just copy this, go to the code, change the code over here. Now this part is same, my Wi-Fi password and ID is again same. So over here this is the code. I just use Blynk timer also over here. So I'm just creating a variable analog value as integer analog read from A0 pin that is available on ESP8266. I just write this over virtual pin V0 as an analog value, and serial print analog value plus string analog value over the serial monitor. Now in the void setup we have serial begin, that is my baud rate. I am just calling Blynk app, and I am just using timer also over here. In this case, inside the void loop I just run blink.run and timer.run. So now we just upload this code inside the ESP8266. It hardly take 1 minute. So after this we just go to the hardware part. Right now ESP is connected with my COM22, as you see. So wait for some time. So now as you see my ESP is connected, and right now it is writing the code inside the ESP8266. So now hardware part. As you see, this is my analog pin, that A0. It is connected with the potentiometer center pin, and this is my VCC, and this yellow is my ground. So let's check what happened. So now I reset it. So just go to the dashboard, device, analog read. Let's check value. When I just increase, decrease, as you see, value is right now 42, now 68, 25, 255. Okay, so right now it is changing. Now it is 6. Okay, so this is how you can read analog signal using ESP8266. Now we just go to the app. Inside the app, over here, I just go to my Blynk app, analog read, just add a gauge inside this, or you can also use value display. Let's check. I'm just using value display. Select the data stream, that is 0. Now I want to again add one more inside it. Right now 55 is there. I want to add some gauge also inside this with the same. Now gauge is there. Over here you just need to select the data stream inside this, back. As you see, I'm just changing the value. Now it is 110. In my ESP there is a analog to digital converter, so that's why we just acquire this signal in digital form. So right now it is 2255. Let's change in the developer zone. I just go to the analog read, and inside the data stream, go to the data stream. Over here you just edit this data stream. Right now click over edit, go to the data stream. Over here just put 1023. This is the maximum value. Save it, save and apply. Go to the device, go to the analog read. So right now it is maximum. So this is my maximum value. Now I just change value 867. There is a 10-bit ADC inside the ESP8266. As you see, different values. So I just move it to extreme value. Right now, as you see, the value 255. Over here you just got 252. Over here in the mobile phone, this is maximum value. I just changed this. Now it is okay. So I'm just changing the value. So this is how you can read analog signal using ESP8266. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you.